So over here, I have this root route. And whenever somebody visits this site, I like to send over this index.html page that's inside of this public folder. So I'm going to type in here res, attaching the send file method, and I'm going to pass in a callback of path.join, passing the arguments of dir name and dot slash public slash index.html. So I'm ready to test this out and see if everything works okay. So in the terminal, I'm going to type node server.js and hit enter. Now I'm going to head on over to the browser. Now I'm over at my browser, and in the address bar, I'm going to type localhost 3000. The page is loaded, but something's very wrong over here. I do not see any CSS or JavaScript. It's just plain text. So I'm going to open up my inspector, and I see that over here, my JS file is linked to the right path. I'm going to click on the network tab, and I will refresh the page. And on the right side, you can see that a lot of the status responses are coming back 404, which means not found. So what is causing this problem? Well, with Express, when you just send the file, it's just going to send the file. It's going to assume that because this is the root route, that all the relative assets are also in the root directory. So we need to fix this within Express. Now, going back to my editor, we need to use a built-in Express middleware called static. And what is a middleware? A middleware is a helper function that works between the response and request cycle. So Express, by its very nature, isn't designed to host static files. This middleware will help you create a virtual path between the location of the file based on the directory given and the route itself. So to use this middleware, up above, I'm going to type app.use, and I'm going to pass in the middleware function express.static. And I'm going to pass through the directory name where these files are stored, which in this case is public. Now I'm going to save this and run my node server again. Now I'm going to head back to my browser, and I will refresh the page, and the site is working. So whenever serving static pages with Express, the static middleware needs to be used for the pages to load their corresponding resources properly. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.